video shows probably one of the most dangerous pieces of driving that I've encountered in almost 10 years of doing this job. It may not look so bad on the video, but it shows the importance of checking your mirrors, your wing mirrors, before you make a turn. We're coming up towards a right-hand turn into a car park. We've already started slowing down and started to signal. The white car that's about to pass us certainly shouldn't have done. But what happens next is absolutely ridiculous. We're moving over, we're braking, we're signalling, we're coming to a halt, and yet this van driver still blasts past us at must have been 50 miles an hour. Had we started to make the turn at that moment, the impact would have been absolutely horrendous. I'm pretty certain that my pupil would have been killed and I would have been very badly injured. Make no doubt bones about it, this van driver has been reported to the police and to his employer and will no doubt be reaping the rewards of his poor driving soon.